World-renowned fashion houses and leading group companies in Bangladesh are now using JOKI. From small and big factories in Bangladesh to MNS MRC, DL, Olshi and more than 100 other group companies and factories, JOKI is now ruling.
Embroidery machines are being used. From the world's fashion industry to the top textile manufacturing companies in Bangladesh. If your local embroidery machine reduces productivity, the
finishing is poor, the operating costs increase and various problems occur in the machine, then JOKI embroidery machines can be the solution. We are the official agent of Bangladesh. Our machines are the #1 brand approved by the Chinese government. Our JOKI and ZDEM machines are made in high-quality factories in China. Our machines can be a name of trust for you, so why delay? Contact us now at JOKI Manufacturer's Documentation or contact a JOKI representative. Let me know if you have any other questions about the machine or embroidery in general.